I think this is better. Chalo. Hi guys, welcome back to Secret Life of Sanji. It's me Sanchari. If you're new, welcome, and if you're already a Sancharian, welcome back. So I used to call you guys Dashus, but you guys like Sancharian better, so we're gonna go with Sancharian. So today's video is a little update and a sit and talk video. Although I won't be sitting because my room has been occupied by my lovely mother. She fell asleep on my bed, so I didn't want to disturb her. So we're not making a video in my room. That's why I don't have my chair, my tripod, my anything. And if I move it, she's gonna wake up. So I just came out quietly and I'm filming in her room and I'm standing throughout this whole video. So I hope it's a short and quick video. And yeah, let's get started. If you've already seen the thumbnail, you know exactly what this is about. So let's go. So about last week. So last week, as you saw the thumbnail, my sister has left and she's now in Austria for her university. She's a big girl now and she's left me all alone. So she's doing biotechnology. Many of you asked me, but I couldn't answer it at that time क्योंकि इधर भी कुछ डालना पड़ेगा ना. तो she's doing biotechnology in Austria. And here is a little story time slash update on what happened last week. So last week was my last week with my sister in the same house under the same roof. And अभी के लिए बहुत like we still aren't sure when are we going to meet next because अभी जो रशिया के restrictions है, it's just like if I don't have a citizenship or like Russian passport, I won't be able to come back into Moscow. So if I get out, I can't come back in. So that's why like none of our family members could go and leave her until Austria. क्योंकि timing इतना अच्छा था. You won't believe me. I had 1 week का holiday. Last week was my 1 week का holiday. And if COVID wasn't there and this thing didn't happen, तो हम पूरा week एक साथ Austria में बिताते. फिर she would have been there and we would have come back. That's how amazing that would have been. But if COVID wasn't here, she would have left long time back as well. Anyway, getting back onto last week. She was supposed to go first week of September. Her initial plan was to leave first week of September. और mid September से उसकी classes शुरू हो जाते थे. So like everything was perfect. She would have gone. She would have adjusted to the place and everything. And then classes शुरू हो जाते. Everything would have been normal, right? And the plan was कि most of her classes were online. Only the lab work she had to do by going there. So everything was perfect except her documents and visa. So she wasn't getting them, and then first week of September nahi hua, so we are like mid-September jana hi padega because if she misses the lab work, it's a lot of work to catch up on, So mid-September bhi nahi hua. Fir beginning of October. The beginning of October bhi nahi hua. And at that time, I kind of was like, अपने दिमाग में ये आ गया था कि she's not leaving anytime soon. She's going to stay with me and at least November, December-ish, क्योंकि इतने बार cancel हुआ है and we don't know what's going to happen with the COVID situation. So I kind of like accepted that she's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. And especially because it was Durga Puja and Navratri, I'm like, she can't leave during a beautiful festival. So I kind of was like, really मतलब एकदम strongly believing that she ain't leaving anytime soon. ठीक है. उसके बाद I come back from school last week जो भी था वो date, and it was a Friday. So I'm back home and I'm like keeping my bag down, just resting, walking around, and she comes and she's like, Dash! No, not Dash. Dish! I'm like, what? She's like, I got my visa. I'm like, oh wow, congratulations. And then she's like, Dish! I'm like, yeah. Like, I got everything done. I'm like, oh wow, congratulations. And then she's like, Dashu, I'm flying on Friday. And I'm like, huh? What? Excuse me, can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat what you just said? And she's like, yes, I'm leaving on Friday. And she was nervous and excited, like very excited. Everything mixed. And I was like, no way. No, this can't be happening, It's just like Friday's too soon. And I don't know, I just wasn't ready for it, I think. And it just came and I'm like, boom. I'm like, oh God. Luckily, 1 week ka chutti. I had last week for half-term break, and I spent it with her. We went out, we went picnicking, we went shopping, we ate croissant. It was on my Insta story, and we did a lot of fun stuff. So, and then the day came, Friday. Before that, let me tell you something interesting. Me and my sister decided that we are going to, give each other presents in order to remember each other. Like, मैं तुम्हें कुछ दूंगी, तुम मुझे कुछ देना, okay? And I'm like, okay. And then she did it really quickly. So on like Tuesday, she gave me what I wanted. Here's a clip.
दिया
Oh no, she got it so quickly. Oh, you got croissant. Thank you. And I know Toleki Achi. I wanted to give. I wanted this and the bottle to happen at the same time, but I guess I'm going out tomorrow. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Can I open it right now? I don't think Nachi wait. I haven't had anything from Active for so long. Oh my god. You ruined it. Oh my god. And I connected to my phone. Yeah, so I got AirPods and I'm very sorry the video might be a little weirdish because I was overexcited and I was all dressed up because I was really bored and I got dressed up this day. I made TikToks, I posted pictures on Insta, I did a lot of stuff, and then I was still ready, like I was just cleaning up everything, and knock comes and she's like giving me AirPods. I'm like, okay, that means I need to get the present as soon as possible. But then we got so busy in the week कि मतलब everybody's running around, lunchbox खरीदना है, ये खरीदना है, dishes खरीदना है, packing and panicking. And I'm like, I need to go out. How do I go out and get something when the whole family is like, Disha idhar se ye la do, wo la do. I'm like, I need to go out and get her present. So on the last day, a day before her flight, Thursday, I was like, I need to get it. I have promised her. I have told her I'm going to get something for her. I can't just leave it, And she kept her word and I need to keep my word. So I went out. And that's why she was so surprised because I told her in the car ki I couldn't find it. And then I found it. There you go. Watch it. Dua! Dua! Dee! Nah, just come. Looking good?
Okay. What is this? No way!
I managed. After a lot of hard work. They don't match that much. I tried to match them. Khol. It's a silicone one.
Is it AirPods 2 though?
No, it's AirPods 1. They gave a different box. Yeah, because I literally talked to him for like 10 minutes. The guy was really nice.
Should I put my phone in this?
Yes. And your AirPods in it. You're welcome. Of course. So yeah, I gave her AirPods के case and a phone case. I tried to match them, but matching मिला नहीं. तो जो भी मिला, I got it. So here are some clips from Friday, the day she left, and also Thursday. There's a little tears and crying there. but how do you expect me to not cry, and how do you expect my family not to cry? Because she is the most amazing woman who just left this family and is living far away. Okay, chalo dekho. Last night with you at home, there's a lot of halla going on there, so I just was very tired and I was like, okay, it's time to sleep. I got to wake up early tomorrow, and you probably won't even sleep with me. I want to miss you, and stay the way you are, man. Please don't change, and please don't forget that you have a sister, a very annoying sister who lives here. Okay. It's time. It's time. Be happy. You're wanting this. You're wanting this. Your hard work. Everything is paying off. New life, man. New people, new friends. Let's go. Helena. Choice. Oh no. আচ্ছা তোমরা সবাই দাঁড়িয়ে যাবে ছবি তুলে নি কি হাসো হাসো খেলো না দাদা এবার বাবার পুরো বোঝা যাচ্ছে কাঁদছে হ্যাঁ
बेस्ट ऑफ लक बेटा ভালো থেকো টেক কেয়ার অ্যান্ড বি ওয়েল অ্যান্ড আফটার রিচিং দ্য ডেস্টিনেশন প্লিজ গিভ
অল দ্য বেস্ট দিয়া, খুব ভালো থেকো, আবার দেখা হবে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি।
Yes. Best of luck, Dee. Please reach and call us. Mwah. You don't do it. Okay, that was it for today. I just don't want to talk about it anymore because it just makes me sad and I don't want to be sad. So, Dua, if you're watching this, you have to watch, like, I'm pretty sure you're watching this because I made you subscribe to my channel. So, all I want to say is all the best and I love you and make us proud, my babe, make us proud. I don't know when we're going to see each other, but and I miss hugging you. A virtual hug from me to you. And hopefully this COVID ka situation thora better ho, even slightly better, so that I could go and meet you and come back. That is the most important thing. At the end of the day, this is the end of the video. I cannot talk more about this because it just makes me upset, and not only upset, I just have nothing to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little update video. Next week ka video is a little interesting and I'm excited to film it. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I really appreciate it if you share as well. And bas itna hi hai aaj ke liye. Don't forget to smile and I'll see you guys next time. Chalo, bye bye, I love you.